Good morning, namaste. I've decided to change up my channel. No longer vlogs and vegan content. I'm gonna be reviewing nice cars because that's my passion. Cheers. That is so much ginger juice. You're gonna like portal to another dimension. Oh my god. Oh my god. His guts are about to... How was that? Do you enjoy that?
So good. I love it.
You're so hardcore. I got one shot. You got three. Oh. Already losing some of that overeating, emotional eating fat. Not that I'm gonna be going crazy and getting crazy ripped or anything, but just back to feeling good. Goodbye, beautiful hotel room. Probably won't be in another one of these till my parents meet me in Mexico in like 6 months. Because I don't come to places like this. Probably what I make in a month, this is probably cost for a day. But it was a great room. We're headed back to LA. Buckley, I'm not leaving you anymore. For 5 weeks, mister. I'm just needing you. We're gonna have a great time. I love you. And I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving you for 5 weeks, I promise. I'm out of Daily Green Boost. Thankfully, I am getting a new shipment coming in soon. Thanks, Jamie. And if you guys want this stuff, use Plantriotic. When you check out online, 10% off. It's the best shit ever. One day soon, I will have my own dog who will live my banana smoothie remedies. But Buckley, I'm happy you're here to do it too. You're young. Yay! It's all perfect timing. Just got some work done. Got my Buckley kisses, and now I'm waiting for Timmy and Laura to come over. Can't wait. Timmy has hosted me in New York City where he lived before, where he lives now in Mississippi. He's hosted me, I think, either 2 or 3 times, and he's never been to my home. Well, I don't really have a home, but this is the closest thing I got, so I'm glad to host Timmy for a night. I feel silly saying this, you know, go follow Hot for Food and Mississippi Vegan on Instagram and Hot for Food on YouTube and Laura Toyota on YouTube, but probably don't have to tell you to do that because you probably already follow them. All right, I'm so happy to have my friends here. Hello, Lauren. Thanks for coming. And Timmy's back. I love you.
Look what I grew. I'm kidding.
And it's perfect because it's trippy, and today's the second day of recreational legal cannabis in California.
Gaia.
So amen to that.
Yeah, and we're making.
What else you got? What are we making?
So I'm making truffle mac. So I'm in charge of some things, and she's in charge of other things. She's making a kale Caesar salad. And
like pan-fried broccoli.
Broccoli with crushed red pepper. I'm making like a white truffle mac and cheese.
I'm so happy and
Vegan,
grateful.
100% plant-based, fair trade, environmentally friendly, organic, non-GMO.
We don't eat, of course, that's the standard.
And then what else do we?
Look at all these new things,
the
these
Black
fancy
Label.
things I haven't even seen. Yeah, we have the high alcoholic booch. Maybe I'll have that for you tonight.
Oh, here,
Get a little tipsy.
This is dessert.
Come and look at our freezer already.
You already have that.
Look at
Vacuum sealed.
look at how much ice cream we have here.
Oh wait.
You're good.
Are you filming?
Yeah. Look,
Oh my god.
it's all vegan.
You
Look
have
at
every
these.
flavor.
Oh, my mom made those vegan peanut butter dandy Rice Krispie treats.
Oh
Peanut
my
butter
God.
Rice Krispies are my favorite.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah. You could, but you're a vegan. Oh, you can't resist. You can't resist. Are you ever
No, can't record that. Sure. Oh, do you have a charger?
Yeah.
Hey, baby.
Timmy cleans up better than probably any of my friends.
Do what?
Always.
Remember when I always got dressed up at the Woodstock Food Festival? I always wore.
Amongst all the dirtbag hippies.
Yeah, everybody eating food with our hands in the
Yeah.
grass, and I'm showing up like I'm at the club. If you I put Lauren's cashew farm in the book, and
We're all vegan, Dad. I don't really have non-vegan friends that I invite into my kitchen to cook food. We are all vegan YouTube, Instagram content creators
we're just pulling up the mac and cheese recipe.
on the Mississippi Vegan new cookbook.
This is on the blog.
When is your book coming out?
Fall 2018. So
Okay.
next fall.
And Lauren's is coming out next
Probably
month.
from LA.
This is so fun having actual vegan chefs who know how to cook in our house. Because I just blend smoothies or bake things in the oven and my parents don't cook, so this is so fun. That's crazy. And look, there's shiitake bacon being cooked in the oven. Smell it. Open it and smell it real quick.
In Mississippi.
Is this like your favorite? Would you say this is your signature thing, shiitake bacon?
I would say there's a lot of shiitake bacon recipes out there. I would say that mine's the best.
I'm down with that. It is the best. Now I've had it in the form of a BLT and now mac and cheese. What else do you put it on?
It's really good on any kind of pasta. It's really good on baked potato, potato skins. It's really good with cheesy broccoli. Broccoli, cheese sauce, yeah.
Yes.
What else is it really good with?
Really anything that it would go good with regular bacon. It's just
Any kind of wrap, any kind of sandwich,
yeah.
burger. I just want to make sure it's hot in the middle. It's so good, just need a little bit longer.
Vegan Caesar salad with a cashew-based Caesar dressing with roasted garlic instead of raw garlic. Okay. So that it's a little more subtle and depthful, as opposed to just ooh, garlic.
Okay.
Why don't I just do this?
You do it and we'll pass it around?
And this
anyone
is your
just a
recipe.
This is a hot for food recipe. Minus I didn't put bacon in here because we were already putting bacon on the mac and cheese. So I normally would do a coconut bacon or a tofu crumbled bacon.
Wow. How'd you learn how to do
Bacon
it?
always have the mushroom bacon.
Oh, no oil.
No, love fat.
There's no calories in
Okay,
it.
Lauren explained what she made for us. Now you tell us, Timmy, what this is.
So this is white truffle mac and cheese with shiitake bacon, and then there's a Parmesan breadcrumb topping made with love.
Nice.
Made with Love by Jackson and Timmy at
Yes,
Breadcrumb
we are
Shop.
very blessed to have both of them in our house tonight and get a meal that most people who follow these amazing figures spreading the vegan message.
Auction at Plantriotic, and I
You got a meal.
number and I won Timmy and Lauren coming to your house.
Yeah, this
to
is
cook.
special.
Imagine.
Okay, so
Is that a little bit different tasting than the green split pea and rice slop I usually serve up for the family?
I'm being feasted upon.
Does anybody want ice? We have a break. Everything.
oh yeah, let's do that.
I can't wait to try it.
And like, and we kept saying like broccolini. I don't know why we kept going towards that. Like, what if we couldn't get broccolini?
All the reactions is so good.
The truffle, the bacon.
It's the white truffle. You gotta go for the white.
And I cooked the pasta, by the way.
Yes,
Right, got it just like elbow macaroni, but it's
Such a personality.
You're my favorite.
You know what he loves? He loves like smoothies. He'll lick the Vitamix.
Oh,
Look,
no.
look.
like one.
Do you like it?
You like it?
No, he spit it out. He spit out your mac and cheese. All right, we're gonna go watch a movie and we're hanging out tomorrow. Much love. Dream Extreme, everyone. Love you, Buckley. Happy we're back together. We're gonna go watch a movie and hit up the farmer's market in the morning. Well, that was an amazing day. And I'm so grateful that I get to end it with these two beautiful people. My friend who calls me Booger and Honey that I love, and my new friend who's inspired me for so long. And I'm so glad that you're in my home, and I love you guys.
We're just hanging out. We're gonna watch a movie.
We are. And then tomorrow we're going to explore the farmer's market and just have a great day. Much love. Dream Extreme. Feel very blessed. Good night.